Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome. Today on British Pound Japanese Yen, what I'm looking for is for a bullish momentum. Okay, on the break of this resistance, price should rally where the base will be on the low, as in the lower high that was created. Is it lower high? Yeah, lower high that was created, or the higher low. Yeah, the higher low. This used to be tricky sometimes. Higher low, higher high, I think. But you know what I mean. Okay. So I'm looking for buy today. The main point of my then let me do this to mirror this traffic here, this clean traffic. Like I always say, we don't normally miss moves. Moves can occur and occur. Yesterday, on Friday, I think I took this bearish move, though it was a kind of a risky sell, but we keep improving to see that those positions that before used to be risky, because we've seen it play once, twice, five times, more than a dozen times, we say, okay, let's take it. And TP was hit to the teeth before market reversed. I didn't take this buy because then where would I put my TP? Where would I put my stop loss? It would be above the range, somewhere here. And I didn't want to take anything above the range because of this resistance. Sellers could be waiting here because of those people who trade with arrow 1, arrow 2, which is resistance 1, resistance 2, or double top, will be expected to push price down, but price rallied instead. So what I'm looking for is for buys, just like I've said earlier, on British pound, Japanese yen, something of this nature, something like this. I look for buys. I don't know how low this will be, so I don't know how low this will be. Then my TP will be TP will be somewhat here, like this. I think this is over 1 hour, something of this nature. So this is what I'm looking at on for British pound, Japanese yen. Then again, on the reverse side, if the price breaks this, our support here, comes back into this range, then I'll be anticipating what sells in order to go down. So this is scenario 1 and this is scenario 2. Sales can only occur below this support. Okay. When it breaks below, then we'll be looking for further sales. But at the moment, my interest is just on buys. Okay. And for gold has been playing ping pong. Okay. Though the sales played out very well, just like we anticipated, in order to retest this low, the same risky trade thing hit it. If it did not hit here, this one would definitely have given you your TP. Then it flipped bullish, and so far it has been hanging. For gold, this trend line was what I was just using to show my students one or two things about trend lines, the strength and the weaknesses. I just prefer doing without trend lines. Okay, so for gold, this is a counter trend buy that could occur, a break of this high in order for price to rally. But don't forget that generally we are in what? Sellers territory. Generally we are in sellers territory. So if you want to take any buys, just be cautious of the fact that we are in sellers territory. Anything could happen. So I would just, for now, I would just want to stay out of the gold trade. It's just been dilly-dallying in this range. Nothing much has occurred. It has been in this range for quite a while. Okay, nothing has occurred. I know some persons will put it from here to here, no problem. But I'm looking at the main focal point of the range. Ping, pong, ping, pong, ping, pong, ping, pong. This will be considered a faker. Any break above could be considered a faker. Any break below be considered a faker. Okay, that is for gold. So for gold, I will just stay out first and just watch what it does. If it gives me a strong bullish momentum, good. If it breaks this high, don't forget it's still in this range. It's still in this range. So a sweet buy could occur anywhere above this resistance in order to rally. Or a sweet sell could occur anywhere below this support for us to what? Dump further. So this will be scenario one because we're in seller's territory. Scenario two, which is counter trend. So this is what gold will look like. Okay. Then excuse me, let me rewrite this. Yeah, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, I'm waiting for you. Hit that subscription button. Okay, now that you've done that, hit that notification button so that you see when something new comes up. Yeah, go ahead. Do it. Do it. Okay, okay. Without beating about the bush, let's go to the last but not the least. This is Bitcoin. You see? Whoa, this is beautiful. Bitcoin just gave us what I was just waiting for. Okay, a buy could occur above, but it failed to make the buy. Then remember what we said. Go and watch the forecast for Friday. I think from Thursday, you realize this move. Excuse me, please. When I said, not when I said the market said, okay, I was just a vessel that was used to convey the message. So this, as you can see, this was a change of structure. Our market just was doing this. A break of this low with stop loss above here would give, but my attention was on um, British pound, Japanese yen. If not, this was a sweet sell setup. Okay, somewhere like this. And another thing that made me to just be very careful about taking the trade was the risk to reward, just like you've seen. It's up to now it has not hit TP. So I just said no. Anything that the risk to reward will not give me my TP before it reaches any major milestone or landmine. I just want to be very careful. But so far GJ played out Bitcoin played out very, very beautifully. So what I'm looking at for today is if we break below this demand order block or demand zone, I'm anticipating for further dip. But don't forget that generally we're in buyer's territory. So if we break above this structural high made by the counter trend sellers, well, we'll be anticipating what? Further rally. So this will be, because we're in buyer's territory, this will be scenario one, this will be scenario two. it will dip down. So this is what I'm looking at on Bitcoin. So I believe you understood what I was trying to say. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to let me know. Okay, so that is all for today. I'm going to stop here. um Again, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification, and comment. Bye for now. Cheers.